Good morning everyone, or magandang umaga. It's Sunday morning and let's learn some Tagalog words. Let's learn how to say quiet and crazy. Quiet, like me, is tahimik. Tahimik. Back in school, especially in high school and grade school, I've always been known as one of the few quiet ones. If the teacher is not around, my classmates are like this. Talkative or madaldal, while most of the time I'm quiet or tahimik and I just listen. Tahimik or quiet. And crazy in Tagalog is Loka. Loka. So if someone calls you Loka, means crazy. If you are referring to a female, you say Loka. And if it's a male or a guy, you say Loko. Loka and Loko means crazy. Or you can also say Loka Loka or Loko Loko. Loka Loka, or you can say Loka for a female, or Loko and Loko Loko for male. Tahimik ka. You're quiet. Tahimik ako means I'm quiet. And if you wanna say you are really crazy, Loka ka talaga or Loko ka talaga. And remember, you can also use Loka Loka or Loko Loko. So you can say Loka ka talaga or Loka Loka ka talaga for female. And if you are referring to a male, you can say Loko ka talaga. You are really crazy. So that's it for today, and all those words that we use on the video, you can find them under the About section. So that's it for today. Bye-bye.